So we are all set to. Before we move further, I will suggest please wear your pairs of headphones. So this is a trip to Bath. It's an ancient city in United Kingdom. We start our day with a wonderful campus. अशा प्रकारे आज आपण चाललोय बाथ ट्रिपला आणि बाथ ट्रिपची जर्नी आमची या बस It's a मधून lovely start bus which gonna take us to Bath City. We have arrived in Bath, and our guide, Kate, was right about the weather. It's definitely a wet one. Our first pit stop is the circus. From the street, you can see the beautiful curve architecture, but you only can't anticipate what it really is until you see it from above. It's a perfect 360-degree circle of townhouse. Amazing, absolutely amazing. And just a short walk from the circus is this the incredible Royal Crescent. From the ground, it's just massive. But the drone shoot really shows you the great sweeping curve of all 30 houses overlooking the park. The scale of it is just unreal, especially with the moody sky. Next, we walk to the heart of the city, to the Bath Abbey. The Gothic architecture is so detailed, it's incredible. But the real wow moment is seeing where it stands. Right next to Abbey are the original Roman bath, which you can see in this aerial footage. This aerial shot shows how these two incredible pieces of history are built side by side. The green water which you see here of the Great Bath is a natural hot spring water. It's been a spa for 2000 years. Okay. After we discovered all the monuments, it's time to taste the history. We then found this amazing historic kitchen, like stepping right back in time. This is Sally Lunn's home of the original bath bun. We saw the old bricks oven where it all started, and then we went upstairs to the tea room to try one. Look at that. It's a huge light burn, and this is one is topped with cinnamon butter. It is very delicious. Must try. Of course, you don't call it as a bad trip until you visit the most famous resident, Jane Austen, who is most inspired by the bath and its ecosystem. We then came across the City War Memorial, This has all of those people name who have been lost in the First World War. It was a powerful reminder of the cost of a conflict. So sad.
सही है भाई।
Just across the bridge is the Great Putney Street. We stood by the fountain at the start of this grand wide avenue. The drone really shows you the incredible, perfect symmetry of the street. You see on both sides, stretching all the way to the hills in the distance. And then finally, we are heading home after all those memories.